We're back. Today we're gonna do a little TIG welding project. It's probably gonna be a absolute hoot, but all this is poo-poo garbage. So vacuum leaks. If I'm ripping on this thing, having a good day, and then one of these decides to crack or whatever, it's a vacuum leak. It's a headache for me that I don't want. So I forget exactly what these are for. What did that go to? Maybe something for the PCV. I can't remember. I googled it, watched some videos, whatever. What I'm going to be doing is, since this intake is aluminum, I'm going to clean it as best as I can. Hopefully it'll come out good. I am what is this thing doing? I am going to take these off, and this is aluminum, like I said, so I'm going to attempt to weld these holes up with the old prime weld unit, brother. Yeah, and as well as that, I am going to take these out, and I think I'm able to, which will get rid of this big ugly thing. Doesn't really hurt anything, but there's no point in it being there. So, and there's a hole there, which I'm gonna attempt to weld up, and if I can't get it good enough where I want it to, where I think that it's good enough, I guess was what I should say. Stop overcomplicating it. I'll just make like a block off plate for it, and we'll use bam bam, bolt it down, put a little gasket sealer on or something, and then these lines are all gone. They are for the EGR dealio thingy mabobber. Auto air control valve, that's gone. I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. I think I have to, if I delete that, I think I have to weld this port closed so that I can still have my heat to my, you get the gist of it. I'm not gonna, heater core. That's the word I was looking for. Anyways, so I'm probably just gonna time lapse me ripping all this crap off here. I might as well take these injectors and fuel rail and stuff off. So that'll just be a time lapse. I'm not going to get into it. There's 210s here. Obviously some clamps, you take those off here. Looks like a 10. I think it's onto this, like welded onto there or made onto there. Probably have to cut that, slice it off there, pitch those, plug that, and I think that's it. There's another hole here, plug that. You get the gist of it. On the time lapse you go. Okay, I'm gonna show you why I wanted to do this in the first place. Stop the time lapse. This thing, I put a little bit of pressure here and it just broke off. All these rubber pieces are like hard plastic. I mean, these two, they literally just disintegrated and fell off. The only one that was somewhat rubbery was that one, but as you can see, it broke off. It's like, of course now it's gonna make me look stupid, but yeah, so no bueno. If you don't have a TIG welder, a lot of guys will knock these out with a little punch from this side. Take a tap and die, tap these holes, and then just screw a little plug in there. That works as well. I have this and I'm itching to use it, so I'm going to attempt and hopefully not regret knocking these out and welding that. I bought acetone and a couple stainless steel wire brushes and stuff, so hopefully I can get it clean enough and lay some boogers on it. Back to the time lapse. All right, so we got jiggy. There used to be a coolant deal here. Let me show you. This used to go here like this, and then it was encased with some aluminum. I don't need this anymore because I don't need this off of it. I don't need none of that garbage. Okay, the last couple of clips were trash, so I deleted all them. I basically just explained and mumble jumbled on about how I'm doing drive-by-wire and deleting the IAC and all that crap. So I cut here, cut there, pop that off, pop this out, pop this out. It went both ways, bam, bam. And I came out of here and went to the heater core. So now, instead of the hose going to here, to this little manifold deal, to here, where it could potentially rot through and leak, which it was pretty rusty when I cut it open. Now I'm just gonna have a hose from here straight to my bottom of my heater core there, and I'll probably P-clamp it to these since I no longer have anything bolted in here. I can P-clamp it to here or here, something like that. And I cleaned up with the grinder. I didn't film any of this. I should have. I just get in the vibe and I start going. Cleaned it up with the grinder so there's no sharp edges or nothing. So, as you can see here, old fuel rail off. These probably would have been plenty big enough to do what I'm doing. I'm not making a bunch of power. I could have even bought like some OEM replacements. There's a bunch of different ones you can run. I don't care about that, neither do you. I'm running ID 1050s because everybody suggests it, and I want to be able to make more than my goal is, because there's junk motor over there that I want to get built and make 500, 450, 500. And I'd rather have the injectors, the fuel system, the pump, the turbo, the manifold, all the stuff done and in gear, ready for that when the time comes. Or if somebody's selling a pre-built motor that's good to go, ready to go, make 500, 600, whatever, I'm ready to go, you know what I'm saying? So this will go on the shelf with many other things, because God only knows when we end up with another one of these. So for now, I'm going to set it on the ground. Don't mind me scratching my beautiful paint on this hot rod. It's all garbage. Like I said in previous videos, kind of, but kind of don't, because, yeah, that's chassis life, brother. Anyways, there's 4 10 mils on here. I won't bore you with that. I'll speed this up. Two 10 mils on the air valve deal, 4 on the IAC, and I believe that's it. And then these plugs, obviously, and I don't know exactly what this guy is here. What is this? I don't know. We'll figure that out when I get there. As you can see here, I showed in a couple videos, Mises, you can't see it at all. Mouse was eating the IAC wiring. So yeah, cute. IAC and air valve, I think it's called, is off. Whole lot of crap, brother. I mean, all these hoses are like brittle. This one up here is like plastic feeling. This looks like it's been, I don't know if that's factory or somebody put Loctite on that nut or something, it looks like. As you can see here, there's a better view. The Mises were eating all that wiring, unfortunately, when I left it outside like a big dumb idiot. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna set it over here, because like I said with the injectors, you never know when you're gonna get another S chassis. Gasket. Poo-poo. Yeah, so next I'm gonna take this guy off. I forget what it's even called. Air purger or something like that. I think it helps with cold starts. I don't know. It wasn't hooked up anyways, so. get you a Phillips screwdriver. Bam, bam. This is why you don't use your car as a workbench. This is stupid. Don't be like me. Yeah, strip it out. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Those are not gonna come out. When in doubt, vice grip it out, brother. Oh yeah. There we go. Owie. That's the worst when you gotta take them back apart. Okay. One out. One more to fight. And then another good thing I suggest you do is take all your hardware. Take all your hardware and put it right there. That way, when you pick this up and pick this up, it goes everywhere. And you have no idea. Well, I mean, I guess it really doesn't matter for me because I'm deleting everything, so. Face you back. God bless. Wish me luck on the next one because it's not going to be good. Vice grips came apart. Yeah. I wonder if I can just spin this now because it has that rod. Pop this clip off here. Set that very small, very losable clip right there. Doesn't really matter if we lose it, right? And then we can close them. That's out of the way. Take our vice grippers back here. We'll just bend this out of the way because we're not using it. This is hillbilly stuff. You don't have to do this. If you're scared, go to church. That's what they always say. Okay, and I got lucky on this one. I didn't have to squeeze them too tight. And I got a pretty good rotation out of it. So I'm gonna do one or two more. Little how you doing? And then this crappy Phillips should take it out. I'm an idiot. My boss bought us really nice snap-on screwdrivers for Christmas. And I haven't opened them yet. I'm just using these crappy old AutoZone ones. I mean, look, brand fucking new. Stupid. I ain't even opened them. I'm kind of like scared. I'm not worthy. So we got the air purger deal, and that is in charge of vacuumly closing and opening these guys. Wow, amazing. Now I'm going to take these guys off here because I don't think I need any of this. And then you take this Phillips screw out, which doesn't look like it's going to come out at all. And then that will release this rod. And then you pull this rod all the way out, and then you go throw it over there. And you can either weld this hole or make a block off plate. Alrighty. So what we're doing here is we're going to weld these Johns. We got a nice little stainless steel. I think the bristles are stainless, and that's what you need to clean the aluminum so it doesn't leave any garbage, I believe. Just going off what I got on Google. So yeah, this one I brushed a little bit, probably gonna do it some more. Just gonna brush all four of these. Bam, 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 bam. And then hopefully fill them with weld. We'll see how that goes. I also got acetone. And we'll wipe this all down with that. Okay, so now we are going to take some acetone and a nice clean rag that I got my dirty fingers all over. I'm trying to open this godforsaken bottle. And a flat head. Open. Then we're going to take a little bit of acetone here. Not try to get it all. Do a little. I don't know how much is too much on here, but I imagine you want it hella super ultra clean. So take it on your little corner there. Wipe this down. I don't know if you're supposed to do this before you hit it with the wire brush to get all the garbage off, so you don't stick it to your brush, but I don't know. It was $6, so I don't really care. Clean this joint, get down in them little holes because we don't want any garbage in there, because that will come back to haunt us. I'm not a big time aluminum welder. I just bought this welder, so I am learning as I go. Always wanted one, so I finally bought one. And I said, F it. And now, I think I'm ready to weld. I'm probably going to take my blowgun and blow these holes out. Bam, 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 bam. Just so no garbage is in there and comes up into the weld puddle or anything crazy like that. Yeah, I'm probably going to do that off cam. Alright, redo here. I filmed this once, but the welder's so loud you couldn't hear nothing. So, clean the intake up. I actually started to mess with it. I had to change my end there because I couldn't get it in there good enough. Did a test run. Pretty good, pretty set up alright. That should do me just fine. Thankfully, I had one of these little stubby end deals, little flat end guy, and I could swap it out for this so I could fit it up in here. Yeah, I also just thought about, hopefully I don't get this flange too hot and warp it. I'll check it with a straight edge before I decide to put it back on the car. So I'm not chasing demons, but a lot of guys just thread and tap these and put a plug in it. I figured I got this. Let's just melt it together and learn something. So now I'm gonna set the camera up, get the welder turned back on, and film me doing this. It won't be very good. It won't be up close, but I don't know what to tell you. It's my only phone. I don't want to fuck it up. So here we go. So, welded these holes up. Most guys thread them and put a plug in. I didn't. I bought this for a reason, I guess, so I might as well just melt them together. Should be good. This one needs a little cleaned up. Don't care. Drive-by wire. Got to get that on there. Got to get my idle air control valve delete plate. And this guy will be ready to go. Got some parts coming for this. It's moving right along. We're right on schedule. Not really, but we kind of are, or something like that. So, peace the fuck out.
Sorry this jumped around so much, my ad got the best of me. I can't focus on one thing and I continuously ramble. Thanks for watching. Love you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, yo.